Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with a quick European update. All right, the BOJ out of the way, no change in rates, but we've seen a little bit of yen strength, right? This is not bad. And it sort of goes with this theme where I'm thinking, you know what, the dollar looks overdone, starting to roll over a little bit. Euro's coming back. I mean, sterling is a bit all over the shop. Aussie's under pressure, but it's trying to get back, as is the Kiwi there. I still think dollar CAD's got to be on your radar, right? It is. We've got a nice trend line here. Oil is rallying, and it's battling between dollar strength with all this, geopolitical Trump election, everything else going on, and stronger oil price. So, you know what? If we see the dollar turn here, dollar CAD will catch up to oil very quickly. So, like coming into the European session, there's a few things just to focus on. We've got some data here, retail sales out of Germany, some flash PMI numbers out of inflation numbers out of the Eurozone. So keep an eye on those, and the unemployment rate. Like I remember, like it's rare, but a couple of years ago, we saw the Eurozone inflation and employment numbers really shock the market. But I don't know if we're at that stage, but there is potential. Now, North American session, PCE price index. You know what? It gets a lot of fanfare. Just keep an eye on this as you go through the market because it is an inflation number, 2.1%, the year-on-year number that you want to be watching, range 2 to 2.2, and that's pretty much it, right? Non-farm payrolls Friday. US officials have already come out and said, well, they're expecting a really weak payrolls number. No change to the unemployment rate, but have alerted the market. So they've obviously seen the numbers and just don't want the market to completely sell the dollar, right? So does that mean the PCE price index impacts? Well, there's potential. Just keep an eye on it. But what we're waiting for, this is this weird period before the US elections. Just keep an eye on the dollar because if you look on the major charts, right, we're seeing like the move back towards these massive trends. Like just look at the dollar index, right? All the way down, it's come back, testing that previous, trend line resistance. Euro, well, it's struggling because it broke down through that long-term support level. Sterling's still in the range, Aussie's mid-range, Kiwi's on the bottom end of the range, and you've got dollar CAD at the top end, dollar yen at the top end, and dollar Swiss, right? I think these things could keep going, like start going down again, right? We just need some calm in the market, but it may not happen until the US elections. If Trump loses, that is definitely on the cards, right? Because the Trump victory looks like it's factored in at the moment, and that's been dollar strength, right? So just keep an eye on your markets as you go through the course of the day. US equity futures leading the way. They are down, right? We've got a mixed reaction here on the currencies. And you know what? US Treasury yields are still up, especially the short-dated stuff. So dollar strength is still there, but it's like the market's had enough of it. But we'll see how it plays out. Not a huge amount of data today, but a few scraps to keep you interested. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.